What, don't I get any music? Alexa next song. No, that's more like it. GINYU Force member number 4, recoome! Alright guys, tonight we're gonna draw recoome from the GINYU Force.
One story ends and another begins. We can never do it without our friends. When we stand united, we will find a way. Oh, oh, we've come so far. We fought so hard to get where we are. Oh, oh, we found our destiny. Forever, it's always you and me. Give me the courage that sets me free. I count on you, you're always there for me. No matter where this road takes us, by your side is where I wanna be. Oh, oh, we've come so far. We fought so hard to get where we are. Oh, oh, we found our destiny.
That's right folks, recoome, also known as one of the members of the GINYU Force. He's a highway explosive fighter. He's almost as if he's kind of human and kind of a Saiyan. I don't know what he is exactly. Might be humanish, I guess. Abducted from Earth. I know he's not really the brightest on the GINYU Force. Hey! Possibly because of his voice. I heard that! Sorry. Man.
Hey, are you getting ready? This is our time. There's a place we've never seen that we have to find. From the sea to the sky and the dream, let it fly.
But he make a great model. Yeah!
Don't ever stop, even if you fall, we'll find a way to the top. There's no reason to wait here, so why don't we just give it a shot? The memories will always be here inside. Today, we will go where we decide. 1, 2, 3, let's reach for the sky. Days go by, but my dream will never die. My pocket holds the key for us. We start anew, another chance and we know what to do. Don't hesitate, spread your wings and fly. Try, let's have fun. Although the battle is done, we'll stay together now. And on 3, we are best friends forever. On the day I believe, yet today I believe. That's how we always get so far. A world we've never seen, a world for you and me is waiting for us now. Let's run, here we go. Let's go. Although we may fall down to our knees, let's go. We work together, great as a team, you and me. Let's go on together. Here I stand at the top of the mountain, it's a new day. But I stop and look around and can't find a way. And although I won't stay, I just can't look away. Feeling lost and I don't know what to say. I have cloudy memories of times long gone. There was something that I found that didn't belong. Even though I can't remember, maybe it was here all along. But what was lost will always be found again. That place will end up there now and then. 1, 2, 3, let's jump to the sky. If I cry, I know that you're by my side. I'm those early days, now I realize that this is meant to be. Is it you? Is it you? Before I could even blink, we're growing up. What do you think? So even if I have just been left in a daze and I don't know what's left or right, our journey starts when we just step ahead. And I remember all that you said. I know what to do, and I'll make it through. I'll always reach my hand out for you. 1, 2, 3, let's reach for the sky. Days go by, but my
And there.
dreams will never die.
One last thing. His stripes. Alexa, what is the GINYU Force?
Here's something I found on the web. According to fandom.com, Captain GINYU, Recoome, Goldo, Birder, and Jace make up the GINYU Force, Frieza's most elite and most eccentric soldiers.
Even though they're dumb? Hey! Sorry. Hey, how about I pay for... Well, not all of them are dumb. I'm smart too, you know. Wanna grab some sushi? And takoyaki? Yeah, love to. Alright, I'm gonna sign off for now. I'm starving.